So I was gonna play my guitar outside. All of a sudden this happens. It rains. Rain always messes up my day. Like, mom's car is getting rained on. Everybody's car is getting rained on. To be honest, I would be rained on if I didn't have this coat.
What's up, dude?
What up, bro? I'm out here making YouTube videos. Hey, what's up, bro?
I'm going to my car real quick.
Sam.
Well, I'm going to pizza job. You want me to sit up there when on break?
Hey, bro. I done bought a guitar too. I got a guitar over my house. What is y'all watching? Over here watching free shows. Y'all on YouTube.
Shut the door.
Y'all on YouTube. Yeah, it's on YouTube. You don't believe? Wait till I edit the video. I'm gonna show y'all on YouTube. Sam over here being all hyperactive.
Makeup.
What happened to your mustache? I don't know. It's just gone. It's gone. And what's wrong with your voice? My mustache must have provided a natural filter. You got too much face without your mustache. I know. That's why I wear it. You sound and look like a man I don't want to be with. Oh, rat.
Dr. Fist is in.
Sudden weight gain, balance problems, and your body has rejected the mustache.
Sam,
I'm afraid you have DMA.
DMA.
Sam, calm down.
Mustachial
Calm down.
alopecia.
Heaven.
Listen, lots of DMA positive men go on to live very full lives.
Calm down.
What's on your lip?
Eyeliner.
Come on, Cleveland, you're better than that.
They got this right here. I don't even know how to write it.
There you go. I'll write you a prescription, but until then...
I didn't even end the video yet. You still.
Record me.
Sam sitting here still trying to be hyper.
Oh, that's better. Nice, very
Yeah,
natural.
where y'all get some balloons from?
Cash, our insurance machine is broken.
Sam, it's not that serious, Sam.
Bluetooth device is ready to pair.
Look, she over here. She riding on.
That's my helper boy.
he quick to say something about it. My hoverboard. She just over here riding on it.
Thank you.
Like she's just. Like she done ran over Sam's foot. She done ran over his foot. Look, they both riding on it now. That didn't fit. That fell. Well, they over here doing too much, so yeah, I'm in the video real quick. Look, yeah, they doing too much. She just dumped his ass off. Yeah, I'm gonna have to end this, so yeah. See y'all.